where are you? We've got some work to do now. Scooby-Doo, where are you? We need some help from you now. Come on, Scooby-Doo, I see you. Pretending you got a zebra. You're not fooling me, 'cause I can see the way you shake and shiver.
Like, I don't know, Scoop, this town Blaines is like the spookiest place I've ever seen! Yeah, like, some mysterious shit stayed unsolved. I need a Scooby snack. Like, Scoop, I wish I could give you one, but 2 out of the 3 grocery stores were closed. And the only one that was open in the box was like $79.99. I'll starve.
Guys, we don't have time for Scooby snacks. If what the townsfolk are saying is correct, this monster is the manifestation of evil itself.
What exactly are we looking for, Freddie?
It's almost too horrible to speak of, but the townsfolk are calling it an Assessosaurus. It's going around from house to house, raising people's property tax assessments by 17%.
But, like, Freddie, what even is a property tax assessment anymore?
Well, a property tax assessment is I think a property tax assessment is it's like this thing. It's like a mill. I think it's related to a mill. It's a mill.
A mill? Jeepers! That sounds terrifying! And confusing.
Mill? Rhymes with kill!
This monster is no joke. We need to prepare ourselves.
Okay. Guys, listen, okay? It's not actually that confusing or scary or weird, okay? It sounds like this Assessosaurus is probably just a tax assessor. And actually a mill is a unit of measurement that...
Just shut up, Velma! No one cares about your fancy measurements with like Satan himself is out milling and killing people!
Killing. No, Shaggy, nobody is killing anyone, okay? Tax assessors are just hired to do a job, and actually the mill rate I read has been adjusted all over the...
Come on, gang. Let's investigate.
Yeah.
The horror! Oh, there's a property owner! She looks like she's seen a ghost! Are you okay, ma'am? Are you okay?
Tell us what happened. We're here to help.
I just can't. It's too horrible to even describe. It's just horrible.
Please tell us.
Well, I was sitting at home and I was just binge watching Netflix and I was watching one of those shows of fantasy places of make-believe where the sun comes out all the time.
I was blind.
Maybe.
I was blind.
Maybe. And it's warm and people are on the beach and not very much in their swimming suits. But anyway, I heard, I don't think I can say it. It's terrible.
Tell us.
A rumbling and a grumbling, and I looked out the window, and right out the window was staring back at me. It was a figure. In a suit!
A suit? In Blaines?
It was just staring back at me, peering at me with those hungry, greedy eyes, just looking at me.
Wait. So I know it's scary because he was wearing a suit, okay? But it sounds like that was just the tax assessor. It was the tax assessor. You know, tax assessors, they actually routinely inspect people's property.
Wait, shut up!
No, can you see this woman has been traumatized by that horrid beast?
Yes, I was so horrible. He left this on
tax assessments all over the state have actually gone up by about 17%.
Good job, Daphne. Now let me see that. Why, look! The Assessosaurus left us a clue. 103 3rd Avenue. The Blaines Borough Administration Office. Come on, gang. Let's investigate.
You should know. You're a know-it-all. You should stop talking. They're still with them.
Be on the lookout, guys. He could be disguised in a suit.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Are you the one raising everyone's tax assessments?
Yeah, I'm the contract assessor.
It's disguised itself like an old feeble man. That's how it's gotten away with its schemes for so long, by like perfectly blending in with the Haines populace. It's ingenious.
I was just hired to implement a massive appraisal system, you know, with 5 years.
Guys, get the contract assessor.
We need some help from you now. Come on, Scooby Doo, I see you pretending you got a zebra. You're not fooling me, 'cause I can't see the way you shake and shiver. You know we got a mystery, so Scooby Doo, get ready for your ride. Scooby Doo, if you come through, you're gonna have yourself a Scooby snack. Scooby-Doo, here are you, ready to Scooby-Doo, I know we'll catch that bear. Scooby-Doo, where are you?
This mask isn't coming off.
Pull harder.
Can't you just like take your mask off and say you would have gotten away with it if it weren't for us pesky kids?
I was just hired to do a job.
Did you hear that? This beast is a pawn. Who hired you? Who? Tell us.
The borough manager?
Oh my God!
This goes all the way to the